Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. One cryptocurrency that even this skeptic is buying. Admit it. I've never really been on the cryptocurrency train. While I can fully appreciate the potential of crypto's underlying blockchain technology, simply creating an unlimited number of alternative, unregulated currencies out of thin air sets the stage for disaster. Everything prompts a reaction of some sort sooner or later. Often, those reactions are unforeseen and undesirable outcomes. However, there are a couple of up-and-comers that have caught my eye of late. Of the two in question, I might end up actually taking a shot on Stellar Lumen, Crypto, XLM. The clear purpose, that makes perfect sense ever since they moved into the mainstream. One of my chief hangups with cryptocurrencies has been their limited degree of practical use. For crypto to be a successful alternative to fiat money, enough sellers must be willing to accept it as payment, and enough buyers must be willing to use it as a means of payment. That has been the underlying reason so many cryptocurrencies and related stocks have been struggling of late. Not enough participants can agree on which of a plethora of altcoins out there are the ones to commonly utilize. Most of the early ones were established without a particular usage in mind. Stellar Lumens, to be precise, isn't hampered by this philosophical flaw. Established back in 2014 on its own built-in token called the Lumen, Stellar's network is built from the ground up to allow large organizations to do cost-effective cross-border business with ease. And they have. Over the course of the past 7 years, the platform has facilitated over 450 million transactions, allowing payers to make payments in their local currency and payment recipients to receive payments in their local currency. The coolest part is that Stellar works with any currency, fiat and otherwise. The stablecoin United States dollars coin, for instance, is also compatible with the Stellar network. Stellar Lumens is in good company, and limited supply. It remains to be seen whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos a requirement, if there's to be any hope for the price stability needed to make a particular digital money a reasonably safe means of storing, conveying, or receiving value. Otherwise, it continues to be little more than a speculative coin toss. The Stellar platform certainly got the right support to become the platform of choice among the world's key players though. Technology giant International Business Machines, better known as IBM, is partnering with Stellar to offer IBM's channel white breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ADX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Phil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus, still entailing a high volatility phase. The second news, one Theta trader lost $11 million to liquidations as prices jumped 18%. A trader of futures tracking the Theta network token took one of the largest losses in crypto as the market recovered. The lone trader lost more than $11 million on a single futures trade involving Theta network's Theta tokens as the price jumped 18% in 24 hours. The trade, among the largest for mid-cap cryptos in recent months, occurred on crypto exchange Binance, and formed the largest part of the $11.67 million in liquidations on Theta futures. Usually, the largest liquidations occur on futures tracking Bitcoin or Ether, the two most traded cryptocurrencies. Liquidations occur when a trader has insufficient funds to fill a margin call, a demand for extra collateral by the exchange, to keep the trading position funded. They're especially common in high-risk trading due to the volatility of assets. Of the $11.67 million in liquidation losses to Theta futures traders, one person was short $11.08 million of Theta, meaning they were betting the token's price would drop, data from analytics service CoinGlass show. The position was liquidated as prices jumped 18% from Monday's lows of $2.73. Binance, the largest crypto exchange, alone saw $11.54 million worth of shorts placed on Theta futures. Rival exchange OKX had $53,000 worth. Theta hit resistance near the $3.50 level and tumbled 30 cents at the time of writing. It could fall to the $2.90 level if the selling pressure continues. The Theta token forms the backbone of decentralized video streaming service Theta Network and can be staked by those wishing to become validator or guardian nodes to earn returns. Theta allows nodes to validate transactions, produce blocks, vote on changes to the network and earn TFUEL as a reward according to the technical documents. Theta rose to as much as $3.39 in early Asian hours amid a broader revival in the crypto market. Bitcoin rallied through $44,000, while Ether, Terra's Luna, and other major cryptocurrencies have all posted gains in excess of 10% in the past 24 hours. At the time of writing, Theta is the 45th largest cryptocurrency and has a market capitalization of $3.2 billion. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market.